Hi, welcome to this question right here. So we're trying to calculate a square root of 16. Now, with your calculator in your hand, of course, if you just punch it in your calculator, you're going to get yourself something, okay? And let's say you give yourself a 4, okay? Why did I do that with my calculator? I don't know why. You should know the numbers, like the perfect square numbers really well, like the 16, square root of 16 is a 4, square root of 25 is a 5, stuff like that. But let's say you forgot how to do it, okay? So you have to use something that's called the prime factorization. I'll do that very quickly. So 16 right here, if you divide by 2, you get yourself 8. And you divide by 2 again, you get yourself a 4. And you divide by 2 again, of course, you get at the very end, it's just a 2 left. So what you have is a square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? This is equivalent to the root 16 so far. Now, what you do is, remember, if you're doing a square root, I can group these guys into a pair, and I can group these guys into a pair. And the reason I'm doing that is to show you the steps. So what happened is, if you're doing the square root, right, there's a 2 here. It means that for every number that you have inside here, underneath the radical, if you have 2 of them together, so anything with the squares, you can just take that number and bring it out of the radical. So you get yourself a 2 right now on the outside. Just one, not both of them. Just take one of them to come out. Now there's another one right here with the 2 squared. Okay, it's 2 squared. There's a pair of them. So you can also take this one to come out of the radical as well. So if you do that, you're going to get yourself another 2 on the outside. Okay. Now there's nothing else left over in the radical, so technically it's a 1. So square root of 1 is just 1. So it disappeared. Okay. So let's do times 2 at the end. Well, you get yourself a 4 as your final answer, which is the same as if you just use your calculator. It's exactly the same answer. Okay? Thanks for watching.